Hi everyone, my name is Ricky Shah and welcome to my course Website Creation for Beginners. Let's get started. Today we'll learn about paragraph tag in HTML. A paragraph tag defines HTML paragraphs. If you're using a paragraph tag, the browser will automatically add some space before and after the paragraph elements. How does it look like? Let's go ahead and check the code that we've been writing till now. The entire code is similar to the code that we've been writing till now. The only difference here is the paragraph tag. Well, a paragraph tag starts with a P and it ends with a /P. And between the opening and closing paragraph tag, we can write the actual content. Well, how does it look like and how does it make a difference? Let's go ahead and check it practically. If you're using a Windows system, you can use Notepad++. And if you're using a Mac system, you can use brackets.io. Let's go ahead and save a file. I will recommend that we go ahead and save the file on a desktop. Starting today, let's do one thing. Let's go ahead and create a folder. And we'll save all the new HTML files in this folder. So let's name it as HTML course. And it's better that we save all the new HTML files into this folder so that we can organize it properly. Let's name it as HTML paragraph.html. Alright, so we've saved our HTML page. Let's go ahead and open that page. So this is the page that we had created yesterday. Let's go ahead and make some changes to it. HTML. Within the body, we'll add the paragraph tag. But before that, let's go ahead and try this out. Let's open a website, rikisha.me/out. So here, let's copy some content from here. Let's copy the first 3 paragraphs and paste it here in the body section. Well, now if we look at the HTML page that we had created, open with Google Chrome, the output is coming out into a single paragraph. All the spaces that we've entered here, the spaces are not visible here. So for this, we can use a paragraph tag. Start with P and we can end this paragraph with a /P. Let's do the same thing here. We start with P and let's end the second paragraph as /P. And then create one more paragraph. /P. Alright, let's save it and refresh it here. Take a look. We've now created 3 different paragraphs. Using a paragraph in HTML, you can actually create different paragraphs. Well, that's all for now. We'll learn about a new tag in the next video. Take care, do like the video and subscribe the channel.